Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Mr. English Learning podcast.
Hi, I'm Ralph, and today we're talking about a very important skill, small talk.
Yes, today's topic is the art of small talk, navigating modern English conversations effortlessly.
Small talk helps you make friends, feel confident, and connect with people in daily life.
And don't worry, small talk doesn't have to be difficult or boring.
Jesse, what exactly is small talk?
Small talk is short, friendly conversation about simple topics.
Like weather, work, travel, or daily life.
Exactly. It's not deep or personal, it's just a way to start talking.
Many English learners feel nervous because they don't know what to say.
That's very normal. Today, we'll show you easy ways to start and continue small talk.
Let's start with safe topics.
The most popular one, the weather.
You can say, "Nice weather today, isn't it?"
Or, "It's really hot today."
Another easy topic is work or study.
For example, "What do you do?" Or, "Are you working or studying right now?"
People also like talking about weekends.
Yes. "How was your weekend?" is a perfect small talk question.
Starting a conversation is the hardest part.
True. But simple sentences work best.
Like, "Hi, how's it going?"
Or, "Hey, long time no see."
You can also make a comment and then ask a question.
For example, "This place is really busy today. Do you come here often?"
That sounds natural and friendly.
Remember, smile and relax. Your body language matters too.
So Jesse, how do we continue small talk?
The key is follow-up questions.
Let's say someone says, "I went hiking last weekend."
You can reply, "Oh nice. Where did you go?"
Or, "Was it difficult?"
Show interest. People like good listeners.
You don't need long sentences, just curiosity.
Small talk has changed in modern English.
Yes, people talk about technology and social media now.
You can say, "Have you watched any good videos lately?"
Or, "Are you using Instagram or TikTok more these days?"
But avoid very personal questions at the beginning.
Small talk should feel light and comfortable.
Now let's talk about what not to say.
Avoid very personal topics like money or age.
Also avoid negative topics.
Complaining too much can stop a conversation.
And don't worry about perfect grammar.
Fluency is more important than perfection.
Ralph, many learners are afraid of making mistakes.
But mistakes are part of learning.
The more small talk you do, the more confident you become.
Practice with classmates, coworkers, or even strangers.
Every conversation is practice.
So remember, small talk is a skill you can learn.
Keep it simple, friendly, and natural.
Thanks for listening to today's episode.
Like, share, and subscribe for more easy English conversations.
See you next time. Bye.